Hi, my name is Jackie Keller and my company is called NutriFit. I'm here today to show you how to make deliciously healthy, low-fat pumpkin cake. It's a very simple recipe. All you need are 3 key ingredients which make this recipe very special. First, low-fat applesauce. Fat-free, in fact, and sugar-free. Make sure it's sugar-free. You're going to mix that in your bowl. Substitute. Add in some safflower oil and whisk it together. Now we're going to add the pumpkin puree. This is just canned pumpkin, no seasoning, no sugar. Takes a minute to incorporate the pumpkin with the egg and the oil, but once you have it mixed together, add in your white whole wheat flour. White whole wheat flour is light and sweet like white flour, but it has all the nutrient properties of whole wheat. A little bit of sugar, some baking soda, baking powder, salt, and certainly cinnamon spice blend. This is one of my spice blends. It's salt-free, sugar-free, and even better than pumpkin pie spice. It's called NutriFit Certainly Cinnamon. Stir the whole mixture together. After you get it incorporated, you're going to want to preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Make sure the rack of the oven is in the center and that you've sprayed a baking pan with cooking spray. You don't have to flour the pan first. Just mix it together, spray your pan, and now pour the mixture into your pan. Spread it out evenly. Into the oven it goes, and 30 minutes later, when it comes out, test it with a toothpick, make sure that it's properly cooked, thoroughly cooked, and it's done. My name is Jackie Keller. My company is NutriFit. You can find us at NutriFitOnline.com. Thank you.